here real quick to unbox this Pattern blow dryer that I just got. This is actually my first time purchasing items off of Pattern. So unbox it with me and let's see what we got. Cute little story. And a lovely blow dryer. So the brush to connect. This is the diffuser. The diffuser. Wide tooth comb, concentrator nozzle, and then the blow dryer. So I did notice like a little piece of paper all the way down up under here. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to get that out. So after pretty much tearing apart the box, I got the instructions because they were all the way at the bottom. It's kind of weird. They were like at the bottom in between this thing. I had to open this up. Whatever. But I got them out. And now it's like I can't even reconfigure that. I guess I could, but the box is trash, basically. But there's just instructions on styling or the blow dryer, whatever. These are little briefer instructions, and then it also gives you some products that go well with the different tools that they have. So great marketing on their end because they're telling you to buy their products to use their blow dryer, which is pretty cool and good, I guess, for them. Then it gives you the different settings that they have for the blow dryer here. But yeah, I think the packaging was nice. The box can no longer really be used, but luckily I did get a bag. I did get this blow dryer bag. It's a little crunchy. Let's see what's inside. Like ox leather, and the inside have like these clear pockets on both sides, and then some pockets in here, mesh pockets in here, which would be perfect for your items. Nice. This is very convenient. I think the only thing This would be nice if it had like some type of strap or something to hold it, because not, I'm just holding it like this. Kind of awkward, but I guess maybe the design, when they were thinking about it, they would be putting it inside another bag. But what if I'm just taking it to my hairdresser for them to use? Now I gotta carry it awkwardly. I don't know, whatever. But it's still nice, because if not, all of these pieces would just be sitting somewhere because the box is tore up at this point. So I'm happy I did get this. So I actually did use patterned blow dryer multiple occasions to blow dry my hair. I currently obviously have a short haircut. I never used this blow dryer before cutting my hair or when I had longer curls. So I don't know how it would work if I were to want to blow dry my hair out, or diffuse it, or just have longer curls. But for what I do use it for, which is just blow drying my short hair, it does work really well. I think it dries pretty fast. I feel like it's easy to use. The buttons are easily explainable. You don't really have to read the instructions on how to use it. I think it's a sleek, nice product. So far, I like it. So to conclude this video, I am actually going to do a wash and go so you guys can see how I do and style my hair. And then I'll show me using the blow dryer as well, so you guys can kind of get an idea of what it's like using the blow dryer.
Full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. And this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already. Spend some clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. Bought a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool rap. She know she was overseas, they were pan leather. Shop in Tokyo, Japan, they the best ever. Blue pair t-shirt, sleeve button leather. Hot top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't gotta bend down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend it down, copping Gucci sweaters. They the drippin' niggas drowning, I cannot help it. Used to boom, now the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia out of ties out of Mexico. Spent the beds 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, feel applying, feel like Velcro. My bitch fine and like shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, it's a day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in the peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool rap. On a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool rap. New cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Weezy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Illuminati way. New cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Weezy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Illuminati way. been going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan, life is fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. Living like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Red bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. Getting this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already. Spend clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. Bought a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aiming out of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? She know she was overseas, they were pan level. Shop in Tokyo, Japan, they the best ever. Blue pair t-shirt, sleeve button level. Hard top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't gotta bend down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend it down, copping Gucci sweaters. They the drippin' niggas drowning, I cannot help. Used to boom, now the guys, we are not the devil. Got Columbia out of time.